dagi taman nga katawan ni kabesat nga Marisa. Pasikatan taman day tanga katawa. Manang dalin for your ears. Apa yun ang para kanyang data? Amo kayat.
Kahit ko magpakariga man.
Adi ingat ta. Madi na nga sa dadya unay.
Madi pada sama.
Ay, sige, normalize ta.
Sige man.
Data kayo mga beach. Sige nga. Agurat ka.
Suppose I call you up tonight and told you that I love you. And suppose I said I wanna come back home. And suppose I cried and said I think I've finally learned my lessons. And I'm tired of spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realized you're all I ever wanted, and it's killing me to be so far. Would you tell me that you love me too? And would we cry together? Would you simply laugh at me and say I told you so? I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. I told you so, but you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. If I got down on my knees and told you I was yours forever, would you get down on your stool and take my hand? Would we get that old town feeling? Would we laugh and talk for hours? The way we did when our love first began. Would you tell me that you've missed me too, that you've been so lonely, and you waited for the day that I return? It would live in love forever, that I'm your one and only. Would you say the table has finally turned? Would you say I told you so? I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. I told you so, but you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again.
Okay, dito nga po may isang kidaw. Nagapuijay California. Kat kuya, numabalin ko ma. Pa-request man po. Datay para kinineneng ko, Jeneline Payangsky, for her loving father too. Kahit ano po, thank you so much from ading Merla. Ayan, may isang request. Aywan, matinga natuloy ngay may didoy ni ading Jeneline, kaya nakanumot ko mga maka-selfie ni John Mark ng dagsanggasat tayo din na panapo di Bagyo. Agbiyahe ko matito Isabela kat awan iti available nga lugan. Ayan, iso nga hanga natuloy nakamulagat lata iso ng DJ Apo Terminal kung nanaawamot ti agbiyahen. At DJ Green ita uno di Blue. Yan, dati man tiket ko nga daton kini ating Jeneline nga hanga natuloy nga. Once again, good afternoon apo kadagiti 4 decade duo Hong Kong chapter nga dadaulwan ni ading Angie kani abirat nga ni Joel Tomas kat ate may isang membro yo umay dito istasyon. Ayan, istasyon tapno itidamot di naumutan mo mabiro ka nun Ginti Green ko nadid taday jay bueno DJ Blue. Nalitukan apo tikin ato ti song hits mi dito madimi nga awanan di na mabiro daitan ang arot para king ka as requested by ading Merla Corpus Belmoro of USA kunana oneg ti Saudi Arabia. Kita mo
kunana nanay Darlene ni ading June, I'm not from I'm from Illinois, not California.
Oh my God!
Come on!
Nalipatak apo, Diyos ko. Taga Illinois, Chicago. Kunak ko matatay manang. I'm so sorry. I was watching.
My God!
I was watching your son.
Definitely.
Exactly. Narot para kayong ating Jeneline nga hanga natuloy nga may idoy kat adala taso nata para kayong ka.
Soldado di
para kayong di sa soldado. Soldado iti masakbayan.
Fortune.
Sigarilyo. I have often told stories about the way I live the life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing your songs, and maybe you would say, come live with me and love me, and I would surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echoed in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Being a traveler, I look for something new. In the days of old, the nights were cold, I wonder without you. Those days I thought in my head I've seen you standing near. Though blindness is confusing, it shows that you're not here. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echoed in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I can hear the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Basa ang mundo na sumarunong.
Manong June, request ko nga kanta niya eh. Maybe you don't know me.
Maya man dahil kita nga request. Ayan na dahil ta.
Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder.
Nagkapuan na dahil nga request.
Isabela. Tay may Baluarte Santiago, yan ang abak-load. Marites Pimentel.
Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walked away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was him, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you always in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you always in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Saw you in the corner at the moment I walked in. Saw your lovely face across the room. No, I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave me so soon? You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me, and at times like this I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you always in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you always in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. For the last rain to be here and the last chance to come, had to think that I was born too soon. How long, honey, when your lover don't come? I was there when he left, just didn't know how to begin. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you always in my. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, but you always in my pocket. Rest your love on me one. Sika man the first voice balong. Tama.
Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while.
Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be untrue.
I'll never give you reasons to cry. I'd be unhappy if you were blue. Through the years my love will grow like a river, it will flow. It can't die because I'm so devoted to you.
I'll never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be true.
I'll never give you reasons to cry. I'd be unhappy if you were blue. Through the years my love will grow like a river, it will flow. It can't die because I'm so devoted to you.
Request ko man kap sa June and Balo.